Yeah, I just saw you online, mate, and I saw you were tearing it up in the room there earlier on, and just wanted to have a little chat with you about how you're finding the trade room. Is that all
Yeah,
right?
yeah, of course. Yeah, yeah. Fire away.
And you don't mind me recording this, do you? Because I'm just going to use it for a little bit of marketing later.
It doesn't bother me. You can do what you want. It's okay.
You got a pretty face.
Yeah. Nobody's said that to me before, but okay.
Okay. How long have you been with us now?
I've been with you. Oh, that's a good question. I think over a year now. Just over a year.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
it's
been.
coming over a year.
Yeah, yeah. And how are you finding it generally?
Well, I think it's been fantastic. It's improved my trading. I've been trading for about 4 to 5 years now, on and off, but virtually full time now. I come from a retail background, so I made a huge transition into from doing full time job to trading part time, then to full time trading, and the rooms just propelled, accelerated my progress in terms of profitability. You know, they measure everything by money.
Did you find the mods useful there? You know, when they're on
Sorry,
mic. Do you find the mods useful when they're on mic making calls?
no, it's not. I think there are a number of things here. The first thing that struck me when I first joined on was how open and transparent things were. You know, you can ask as many questions as you want. Nothing is too silly. Nothing is too simple. You can ask anything, from the most advanced questions through to if you're going through an emotional roller coaster and you place your trade and it's not going your way.
Yeah.
You can have a private message with the mods and they'll help you out. So there's no hidden agenda. And believe me, I've been on a few other forums, and this by far for me is the best, simply because people are very, very open and honest about things.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, you've got the experience behind it as well to advise accordingly.
What about the software? How do you find the timelines as an actual tool for helping trading?
Now, Paul, traditionally I love my charts.
I
I
know.
use various companies. I use support and resistance, trend line, the Fibonacci, all those sort of things. And the problem is, if price moves very quickly or the market moves, you're going to have to go through all those charts again. And once we can do them very quickly, you want something at a glance, something that's going to give you real-time analysis straight away and take the sting out of that. So the software really complements the style of trading that I have. It makes things very, very simple at a glance. Trading across multi time frames isn't new, as you pointed out, but the way the software has been put together, allied with the mods in and with the charting, it's fantastic. As I said, I've just gone from success to success using it.
I'm actually, without being vulgar, I know you don't like talking money really, but I mean you have a lot of successful trades. What sort of money can you make from a successful trade?
Between anything between zero and £1,500 a day.
Yeah.
And the zero being break even. I do take break even trades in terms of success.
Yeah.
I'm around 75 to 80%.
75% of trades are successful.
50% are successful. Well, the reason for that is I'm not in trades for very long, but that's my
No.
style. You know, I won't go in for
Scalper.
the
Yeah.
yeah. Well, you can even say scalp or scalp swings, but I'm not in there for a long time. So if you're talking pips, you know what I average is about between 78 to 100 pips a day.
Yes.
And I will scale my stakes depending on the trade. You know, price doesn't move in a linear way.
No, of course not.
Flexible in your approach, your risk management, so on and so forth. So between zero and up to 1,500, yeah, a day.
And in account terms, how would you say that has increased your account over the course of the last year then?
That's a very good question. I have quadrupled my account.
Quadrupled your account.
Quadrupled my account.
There you are, quadrupled, and we're talking serious money, aren't we?
Very serious.
That's what I
I've
thought.
been able to develop my property portfolio better. Certain things as well without putting figures to it. But I enjoy life, and I think it's very, very. I think I'm very, very privileged and grateful to be able to do this. But the timelines, the grids, the whole thing has been attributed to this particular software.
Where do you see Forex then taking you then over the next couple of years? What do you think you can achieve?
Well, in terms of monetary, I want it. It's consistent now, so I'd like it to continually deliver. Doing all the things that I want to do. After the holidays when I want, I can go where I want. all those things I'm doing. So I'm very, very satisfied at the moment. I've got a few outstanding projects that I'd like to do. No, don't worry, I'm not going to set a bank of Dave or something like that. There are a few projects I'd like to get my teeth into, like a cafe and things like that. But
Yeah.
these are long-term things. But I'm very, very happy and satisfied where I am. I can choose to trade or when not to trade, but it's an addiction. If you get this right, this becomes an addiction.
I know. Well, making money's always an addiction, my friend. Making money's always an addiction. Anyway, Suk, I know you're a busy man, and I do appreciate you giving me 5 minutes of your time. I hope you don't mind me just sort of picking you out off the blue like this, but thanks for your input, and I'll see you in the trade room.
You're welcome.
You take care, my man.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.